Up for auction, we have a 1993 Wollard maintenance platform lift. This unit is great for your maintenance guys. It does have a platform max height of 16 feet. That's the platform height, is at 16 feet off the ground. Operates from both the driver's station and the platform. So we'll crank it up, show you. This is painted, we did do a fresh paint job. This is just a white enamel. Has a Ford 4-cylinder gas. So we'll make sure that, I'll show you the operation from the driver's station. And I won't go all the way up, but you can see the cylinder doesn't have any leaks. Come back down and then I'll show you the operation from the platform. Leave the stabilizers down. Safety rails are in place. And platform operation from the remote control and down. And I'll bring the stabilizers up and we'll drive it around and show you the operation there. And parking brake holds. Steers well, shifts well. Service brake works well. So it steers and drives correctly. Horn works. Really clean, good performing platform unit. Thanks for bidding.